Have you ever wondered if you can get that flawless salon-quality manicure without stepping foot inside a nail salon? Well, what if I told you there's a product that makes it possible, right in the comfort of your own home? Enter Olive & June's Minimalist Instant Press-On Nails, the extra short, Squoval nails in a stunning taupe jelly chrome finish that promise to deliver a barely there look with a whole lot of impact. Now let's get into the details. Olive & June is known for making beauty products that feel elevated, but are still easy to use. And these press-ons are no exception. The set comes with 42 nails in 21 inclusive sizes, which is quite impressive to say the least. In my years of reviewing beauty products, it's rare to see a press-on nail kit go to such lengths to ensure the perfect fit. The sizing system is a standout because finding the right fit is key when it comes to press-ons, and Olive & June clearly thought about that. Each nail is designed to have that custom, natural feel. It's like they've engineered the perfect press-on, tested on thousands, and then perfected it. So how does it actually perform? Let me tell you, once you find your best fit, the application is surprisingly easy. You've got everything you need in the kit: a file, buffer, prep pad, cuticle pusher, and non-toxic glue. The glue? It's strong. You can expect these nails to stay in place for up to 14 days. And I'm talking about real longevity here, not just a couple of days before they start popping off. Plus, the best part is that you can reuse them by soaking them off with water. No more wasting nails, no more costly salon trips. Now, I know some of you are probably wondering about the overall feel and wearability. The taupe jelly chrome color is absolutely gorgeous, minimalist yet bold, and it gives a sleek, modern finish. The shape is that perfect squoval that sits nicely between square and oval, so you get that elegant look without it feeling too long or too short. It's the perfect balance, ideal for anyone who likes their nails neat and polished, but doesn't want to deal with the hassle of constant maintenance. But as with any product, there are a few things worth mentioning. While the nails themselves are fantastic, the only real challenge I faced was the application process. You've got to be precise when applying the glue and the press-on nails. It does require a steady hand, and if you're not careful, you might end up with an uneven or messy application. So, I would recommend taking your time, especially when it comes to the initial setup, to get the best results. As for value, Olive & June Minimalist Instant Press-On Nails are definitely priced on the higher end compared to drugstore alternatives. But in my opinion, you're getting excellent quality for what you pay. You're not just buying nails, you're buying the complete kit for a salon-like experience at home. The longevity, the ease of application, and the fact that the glue doesn't damage your nails make this set well worth the investment. Plus, the reusable aspect is a huge win, meaning you're not throwing away money after one use. If you're someone who's into press-on nails, but has had bad experiences with them before, I get it. The whole will they stay on and will they look real worries are always at the back of your mind. But Olive & June's product alleviates those concerns by offering a high-quality solution that does what it says. If you're looking for a polished, long-lasting, no-fuss manicure, this is a solid option. But let's talk alternatives for a moment. If you're on a budget, there are definitely cheaper press-on options out there, but you're likely sacrificing longevity and ease of use. If you're looking for a similar effect at a lower price, some brands like Kiss and Impress offer more affordable alternatives, though they may not have the same fit or lasting power as Olive & June. If you don't mind a bit of upkeep and occasional reapplications, those might work. But if you're after a hassle-free, long-lasting manicure, these definitely have the edge. At the end of the day, these nails are a game changer for anyone who wants to get that perfect manicure at home. If you're looking for that professional-grade look without the commitment, the Olive & June Minimalist Instant Press-On Nails could be just what you need. So what do you think? Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've tried these nails, drop a comment below and let me know how they worked for you. If you haven't yet, check out the link to purchase them in the description box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.